Hello everyone. So in today's video, we're gonna open up Fullstack application, which is the hotel booking app. Because this one is as a microservice, so we don't have sign in and sign up feature. So we will make data preparation. Um, so firstly, I will make the backend. So first of all, we will create a new folder inside backend for defining. So, the first model is booking. I use Node.js for backend and use React for frontend. So TailwindCSS for styling. Now, import some dependencies. So here I already have some dependencies. To install all the dependencies, need to get and need to use yarn or nba to install. Ultimately, can use yarn install. Now back to the booking model. Gonna after we import everything, so we're gonna have our thing set up. So we're gonna import the mongoose package. With this one, we will give the MongoDB functionality to Node.js, and we can use mongoose to make a constant. This way we call booking schema or booking model. Make a new Mongo schema instant. For the Mongo schema, for the booking schema, we're gonna have some attributes. Is firstly the price with the type of number. And after that, it's gonna be is the address of the hotel that the booking is currently served. So this one, we use the form of denormalization. So after each query, we don't need to save a hotel ID inside the booking. We can quickly say the address of the hotel and the city, the number of bedroom and bathroom of the hotel. So for a specific room in the hotel, so we are applying the denormalization. We can enhance the get and read queries performance and the speed. Because actually we are applying denomination instead of normalization for booking, because most of the queries from booking is read query, not write query. So that's why we are applying the denomination. And we're gonna have a type room number, type room password, understand. we can because for the booking we don't need to show the user information uh, simultaneously when we need the when we want to see the booking information. So like we can make a button so it will show the user information. Therefore we just use second normalization. So this one is uh, user ID. So second type for the user schema we're gonna define later. We will just make a boilerplate and schema types with object ID because the user ID is object ID. And we will reference to the user schema which we will make later. After defining this schema, and I have a created app. Use substack some substack some range used to represent a set of time range for the purpose of checking portions of media when or used by the end timestamp here timestamp. So it will automatically give the created app and updated app to make another attribute inside this schema because automatically created. Then we're gonna give this schema call to make a model. This one called equal to model. This one is a model in database structure which we call booking with the schema predefined schema booking schema. Then we're gonna export before. We are export before because we don't have multiple export, so just use export default for each model. So the next is the hotel model. Import similar we're gonna use the schema equal to returning symbol the schema. We will give JSON representation. So this one is made for the attribute. This one is for image. Currently we don't have the image model, but we will be refining it. So this one is just make a boilerplate on the placeholder first, then we will create later. Then show the schema and really set type of object ID. Object ID and we reference to image model. We will create string this address that we already saw in the schema of setting. Here is a string and the number of a specific of each room inside that hotel or every room of the hotel. So in this application, we can assume that every room will have the same number of bedroom and bathroom. To simplify the open the logic of this application and this backend. This country is a string. We also have the latitude coordinate and longitude coordinate on this one. This one is longitude. So longitude is just x and y. The x and y coordination of the hotel on the map. Also, we will also give the normalization. The second one is and we can already this in the schema schema baptized check ID and this will also reference to the user model. For this we don't need the timestamp. So we given a new Mongo's model instance from the model. If we have the schema of the script, spot as usual default. And we will make a new one. New one called image. And then import equals. So we're gonna have a constant variable image. And use the variable schema. Also have one field. This is the image. We have type string. String. Why we use the double prefix here? Because we want to if the required attribute required function to equal to true. So that's why if the request including this schema requiring this schema, it will require the image attribute. So we can send the request including this schema without the image field. The image field go to this one. So do all these one named as image and the image schema. So also is not this user default last model is for user. So change this one. The consistency. We will, uh, we'll make the names for the case insensitive. So data constant. Constant. So schema. We go to a new instance of schema from Mongo. Inside we have some attributes. One is the image ID. Oh, this image ID is different from image from the hotel. This one is the banner image of the hotel. So it's the image capture for the hotel, and this one is for the user avatar, the user profile picture. We have type schema object ID. We reference to image model. We define name, the name of the user, and the email will be type string. Display we need to give it a unique attribute set to true. Type string and the unique attribute is these are the attributes. Now on the phone number, so string. So as we now have another attribute is user type. Is for the to prevent the privilege escalation attack. So we wanna define any user and admin user type. So we put another field here for user type. Quantity. This quantity is for user. So we also check the location of the user according to the coordinate. Then we also check the timestamp that the user created account. The timestamp will automatically give us the information for creating and updating at the constant. Go to a new Mongo instance or model. It will be named as user and the schema. Then we're gonna export the schema model. Export default because we did export symbol. We are making the symbol export function, so we need to use export. We need the word default here. Then After that, now we just make up the placeholder of this index tree. We're not gonna go into it. Before that, we need to create a new file called data. So this one is data preparation process. So we're gonna use the schema that we already created to automate the process of filling information for our application. So after this backend is run successfully, all the data will be automatically assigned to the application, so it will be displayed inside the front end. So the user experience will be enhanced, and you don't need to sign up to create hotel bookings. It's already initially made in the initial state of our application. So this one is for that. So we're gonna import from the models folder the user model in the image folder. Image model. This one is for image models. We don't have the name consistency here. This will sometime make the make the make the base code we understand the input. The image is declared, but if I will snap. So image. So this image URL is this thing we will consider is later, but for now we just can I already write outside, so I just copy and paste the name. So from 1 to 10, JPEG is the file type, each mid type. We not miss the semicolon here. Area. Then we're gonna create a constant function. So we image. So inside that we're gonna have an array of image data. Loop from 0 to 9. So we're gonna have 10. From I is equal to SN so when I have 20 image pre-created, by image URL dot length. So we're gonna rotatedly mm, rotatedly make create from create 20 image based on this image URL. So if we exceed the limit with 10, then it will come back to the one, the first one. So, enter the yeah, image entry. So this one is going to be put into the image data array. So this one is representing a new instance of image model. So the image data array plus the image entry. We're gonna return like the data. So for later usage, we're gonna put this to the image model after we created image data. Uh, Other than that, we're gonna create some functions to randomize to automate the randomization of integer number because these are fake data. So I mean, like just a placeholder data, so don't need to make exact data and real data. Random function. So include bringing in max method. So we can randomize numbers between this range. Then the path. So it will automatically actually we need to also this one is a building function in Node.js. So pick up. So we will use the floor subfunction, the, the method floor, and we will use random because this random is from 0 to 1, so we need to multiply it by so because it's an integer, so it will have the limit of 10 or by 9. Okay, do like this. Oh, no, because we already divide the range, so we need to switch off the range here. So this one. Then after that, we need to register another function. So phone number is for user. Digit is equal to plus or more like before by then plus Which will automatically generate the integer number. That's the purpose of this function. If missing the return digits. That will create a dynamic generating user function. This will be a string function. If we are making the async function, right, so we can now be able to uh, make use of what await here. First, we will wait until the finish of this function. This function will be a synchronizing function. So we need to await it. So we can use async here. Then we will for loop from I to minus 20. So we're gonna make 20 users. Make a constant. User, single user. So I forget this attribute. And after that, we push the user to the user. In this user, we will name as user with the number iteration. Mm, And as for the email and the password, the country is in for the random position inside these countries. Okay. And this one is we already defined a function for each functionality for generating these attributes. And the user side and so the random of in this array. So we just have two type of user, admin and user. so that we can prevent the can prevent from normal user to use the functionality even for the admin. So with that in mind, I think you already got the idea. So I just quickly uh, list the function that I already created for generating booking in hotel. So we have the same logic as general user. So with doing this way, we already uh, have a dynamic way of generating initial data and placeholder data. So it will enhance the first experience that go when we go to our application, so that we can showcase as one of your personal project without the need to log in and create its instance of hotel booking and image. So we don't need to upload any image. It's already pre-created. You can also upload. It's up to you. But in this case, to simplify that, I will make this function to um, randomize and automate that process. Then you will code the index of JS. We're gonna install an import express. The import cost for cross origin. Cost from the import. So to save time, I will copy this import. So there's some files that we haven't created in the inside the controller folder, which we haven't made currently. So just put it as a placeholder. So we will make it later. And we will post that application. We will run on Express. We use Express as the this application. So the app will use the Express.json. So it will inspect the uh, JSON format for every request. I will also reformat the request into JSON, so that we don't need to deserialize the request to JSON format. Then we will make the head save time, and then we will use the cookie pass. Actually, we don't need this, but because our don't need the for example, this one is necessary. We use cost with a cross origin allow policy. So we can have the credential CPU. has to is equal to true. And the origin is equal to true. So this will accept all the origin from all source of IP address, the host address to the host address. So every front end you can use this backend server. Get other users. This one is get user. This view is these are the handle function. So also call handling function. From the URL is so this is for searching the hotels. Hotels. URL of hotels and get the URL parameter. Here we have a single hotel. Then hotel without s. This one is a ground function because it's for acting at your hotel. Hotel. So we need hotel. So we need the ID inside the URL. Hotel. Hotels. And this one is different from the shared hotel. This one is called add or user hotel. And use for booking, so we already have the idea. So I will this plan. I will just click here. It's for booking with the same logic. So we use the express expected. So this will store all the before that I will this to is re-explain. It's constant variable. So from the meter package. So meter is for uploading and saving files inside the server domain or inside the not the server domain is for inside the server storage. Insurance estimation create function. Yes. The callback function. So actually it's only abstract state. So we just call the callback function and the destination of the folder that we want to save the files. So inside the uploads, I will create this one later. And another attribute is finding. This is a function. Similarly, we call the commit function. First attribute node is we define the name that this file will be saved. I'm gonna use this row so this storage available inside. So app. So this one we create a gateway for this storage. So after that, the user can access this folder for the static upload. This is the storage destination and the definition. And when I have this for uploading image, this is for get image. So in the request, if the request in JSON format has this file view name, and it will be extracted to this storage. Is stored in the uploads folder in the server side. Then to save time, you paste here, and this one is we're gonna use the environment variable on the database URL, which in this case when using the MongoDB. Then in this video, I just use the local MongoDB, not the cloud MongoDB. This goes at large. We make a async function because all we need to await. This one we're gonna delete all. So just to run the database. So we can also clear all the instances. After that, we will prepare all the data. And we insert many generate function from the data file. Use the data preparation. Then we insert many the because this function is a string function, so we choose await here because we need to wait up till the time is finished. This one is insert many, then await till for booking also. We listen on this port inside the environment variables. We console log if it's successful, then we print out some port with the port predefined. And if not, we catch the error and print also the errors inside in the console log area. That's it for the index.js. And after that, we're gonna create a new one. It's for the upload. So the menu the nested inside is nested inside the backend. Okay. This one is for controller. It's for the controlling logics of each of the modules in the modules folder. First of all, we have to create a booking. user. So for the booking, we import the booking model from the models folder. And we also import user because we have a user ID inside the booking model. In this case, we're not going to use it default, but we will only the export comes response for create booking. So we use export here because we want to import it from the index.js that we have already seen before. So, function response type constant is the deserialize the body. So this one is the funds address. So because the body is already formatted into JSON, so this one is for spreading the JSON field. We go to the stop. We use the try cache here to catch any error about here, and we will immediately catch the error, the error or when to have a prompt solution, also to monitor the error. So, looking at something, have the error in creating the booking, so we just print out the input the request status of with internal server error because then you get a message back. Settings and you got to click on instance. Size we just put this attributes. So it's at the same name, so we just do on the symbol what automatically we understood and we reassign the values. So I did it's not the same, so await. So I did like this day. We're not gonna make sign in and sign up pages on the front end, also for the back end logic. So we just use the first user in our predefined pre-created data database to act as the current user. So anyone, if they are viewing our application, then that will be this user. And with the first user in the user collection in MongoDB. And we have a custom also booking. We also with, also this will save the booking to the booking collection. We also return it in the response. So this will be given back to the front-end server. The front-end. There's something wrong with the code. We just fix it real quick. Okay, so for the delete, we will continue. Now we will post responses with the status of the one is for successful uh, test. So after that, we can have another and different position for the get on. So things is equal to the same function, the parameter of request and response, and also the child cache. So if we cannot get, then we console the error message error things. Then respond. Let's get this representation. Slash things. Then we will semicolon to closing. So semicolon. This one. Actually, we don't need to have a semicolon, but just for the in convention. Custom. Yeah. So same function. Respond. All these handler function, they all have logic like same but in different situation, different aspects. One is for delete, one is for updating, which for the query operation, which for also for the RESTful API. So we will deserialize the params request dot params. So in the URL for the LinkedIn booking, it will have the ID parameters, and we will initialize that to assign to this ID. And we use our child test function as before. Constant dot and d and dd ID. We have a title, and we will return items for a body is for not found error. If not, if successful, then we return this status for the cache. So that's this is uh, for the REST API for the booking models. So for the hotel to save time, and you just paste it in and then use them. So for the image, use it. So for the hotel, we will close this. So for the get hotels, is for the search functionality. So after firstly we will assign the value of request body with the JSON format to the variable. Then inside the variable we have the latitude, longitude, um, and we will pass load various in kilometers. Then we make a constant here. Is the Earth's radius kilometer 6371. Then we calculate the radius by divide the radius in kilometers by the Earth radius kilometer. So we have the radius. Then for the mean value, we give mean latitude for the latitude minus the base latitude of Earth, and for the latitude or the mass latitude is plus that. So for the data latitude, we will be given this formula to make our data latitude. See from the scene graph, the scene chart, divide by the cost chart. It's really complex, but we have just use the formula sin minus sin divided by cost. So this one is geographically automatic. So we don't need to so much understand. You can get this formula from the internet. You need to console log. We have also have min max longitude. This. So for the future, It will be greater or equal to -2, less or equal to C2, and also for longitude. And we will vary the city and region. If the string is not equal to null or empty string, then we will assign it to the request and with the option of case insensitive request, regular expression, or by spatial matching. This one also exists true, ensure the city field exists in the documents. The number of bedrooms and is also the same, but with the greater or equal to, and also the number of classrooms. For the mini price, it also the same. In that we use combined all together. We will have this and we have the future of this one, and we'll populate the user ID. So in MongoDB we have this populate function. This is short for the it's a short way for the very domestic very domestic connection. So we will automatically populate for the user ID and get all the information from that user with the user ID into the hotel. And, uh, so for all this, also for the image, so this one for the user get user, so you get the current user which in our case the first user the user collection. That we will make the environment variables dot in the file. So we are in uppercase. So we go to for host of the go host set zero. We also find the database directory and display maybe the hotel. This is the name for our application. Then we modify the port. So our server will be running on the port of 1300. Then we save and we just run to see if there are any errors. So having some errors here. Do not instance type model, so we lacking the type of model. So we make it here to make a separate value here, comma separate the types of model here and again. fixing the error. Yeah, let's run it again. But we haven't connect to the Mongoose in local. I will connect. You see, error reduce, function reduce because we haven't connect our computer with the Mongoose server, the Mongoose local instance. Just wait for some time. I will work on it. After connection, we will see if our data operation is working. Then you run it again. Then you see it's already connected to the port of 4800. Yeah, that's it for today's video. So in today's video, we already make the backend operation and already connect to the server.